Today, let's have a great trade practice to improve our skills to the next level. We will go over a full top-down analysis by using smart money concepts and price action. We will discuss how to spot trade areas and how to make possible trades. If you are good to go, let's do this. First of all, let's take a look at the price section in this coin. Please just ignore the coin name. The only thing we care about is the price action. This could be Nasdaq, this could be gold, this could be Bitcoin. Price action is universal. As you can see, this was a bearish price action here. By taking new lows, sellers were in control here. With this imbalance area, the expected move was downwards, the logical continuation of the trend. But the imbalance strongly failed, as you can see. So buyers started to fight back. They were trying to push the price to this daily imbalance as a target. So this move here made this coin the top gainer recently. So how did we find this coin? Because it was the top gainer. Simple as that. So when we look at our momentum layout, price was rallying like a monster. And at some point it just slowed down. Thanks to our indicator called ICD high time frames, we were able to spot the tradable location here. Right here with multi-level imbalance taps. Now, if you open the regular price within 5 minutes and compare with our indicator, you will notice where the price started to secondary rally. Okay, let's deep dive into smaller time frames and start to talk about entries. What you see here is the most classic price action that you can ever witness. A very simple structure breaks with an imbalance, and then price pulls back into this small balanced price range with the optimal trade entry location. So this gave you a wonderful entry opportunity here. This was almost a 2-hour setup to use, depends on the moment of your entry. Okay, but what really happened here? In the daily chart, sellers were pushing the price like crazy until buyers stepped in and decided to fight back. So this movement made the coin the top gainer coin and created this multi-level inner imbalance area. At the same time, price was being pushed into this daily imbalance as a target, creating simple trade opportunities. Now, I want to show you something. What you see here is our daily chart again. Remember, this is the daily chart. I want you to notice and remember this large imbalance. Keep it in your mind. Okay, we are back to our 2-minute time frame this time. Notice how the price rallies and then crashes. So basically, price fills the daily imbalance to almost perfect tick and then strongly crashes. This is why we have to keep an eye on the daily and weekly imbalances as well. These are very important price levels. Okay friends, another quick daily practice. Hope that you liked it. Please take care and see you next time. If you have completed the free trading course and feel like you improved your trading skills, but you need more, an extra, a boost, and you want to move to the next level in your trading life, my masterclass is ready for you. You will learn liquidity, inefficiencies, and structure mastery deeply. We will look at forward and reverse trading with momentum super boxes. You will learn how to confirm your entries with magic alignment system. Finally, you will discover a strategy called YOYO Strategy, which will open new doors for you about taking and managing trades. If you are interested,